Hello friends, I am Dr. V.P. Deshpande, Head Department of Physics, Shivaji Arts, Commerce and Science College, Kannada. Now today we discuss about the polarization of electromagnetic waves. And electromagnetic waves in which the electric field vector E maintain a fixed direction relative to direction of propagation is said to be linearly polarized with polarization vector E. In electromagnetic wave, electric and magnetic field vectors are perpendicular to each other and also perpendicular to the direction of the propagation. Such electromagnetic waves are said to be plane polarized. The plane containing the direction of propagation and field vector H is known as the plane of polarization, while the plane containing field vector E and direction of propagation is called plane of vibration. Any plane polarized wave can be considered to be sum of two plane polarized components in perpendicular direction but in phase. For example, in above figure, the field vector E can be resolved into two components. This is field VE. One is E1 and another is E2. These two independent components which are in phase may be expressed as E1 is equal to N1 E10 e to the power I k dot r minus omega t, and E2 is equal to N2 E20 e to the power I k dot r minus omega t. So general solution of plane polarized wave can be expressed as sum of these two, that is E of RT is equal to N1 E10 plus N2 E20 e to the power I k dot r minus omega t. If E10 and E20 must have same phase, the above equation wave is elliptically polarized. The polarized vector E has magnitude E of 0 is equal to under root of E10 square plus E20 square and makes an angle theta is equal to tan inverse of E20 by E10. Here E10 and E20 have different phases. The wave is elliptically polarized. To understand its meaning, let us consider the simplest case of circular polarization. If E10 and E20 have the same real magnitude E0, say, but differ in phase by 90 degree, then equation above may be expressed as E of RT is equal to plus or minus E0 sine of kz minus omega t. Squaring and adding above equation, we get Ex square plus Ey square is equal to E0 square. Ex square upon E0 square plus Ey square upon E0 square, which is equal to 1, which is the equation of the circle. Thus, at a fixed point in space, the above fields are such that the electric field vector is constant in magnitude but sweeps around in a circle at a frequency of omega. For the upper signing N1 plus I N2, the rotation of E is anticlockwise When the observer is facing into the incoming wave, this is called left-handed circularly polarized. For the lower signing n1 minus I n2, the rotation of E is clockwise when the observer is facing into the outgoing wave. This is called right-handed circular polarized. If the magnitude of E10 and E20 are not equal in magnitude, then resultant equation is ellipse and resultant wave is elliptically polarized. The equation of elliptical polarized wave is given by Ex square by E10 square plus Ey square upon E20 square, which is equal to